Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says, what is the functional group in each of the following classes of organic compounds? यहाँ पे पूछा गया है कि इन classes of organic compounds के functional group क्या है? Now, the key concept that has been used to solve this question is functional group. Now, what do you mean by functional group? Any number of atoms that form parts of chemical molecule that undergoes characteristic reaction themselves and that in many cases influence the reactivity of the remainder of each molecule is called functional group. Now we know what do you mean by functional group. यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि एस्टर की फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या है. In ester molecule we can see any hydrocarbons, for example R, is attached to carbon that is attached to oxygen and double bonded to an oxygen atom, and it is bonded to an oxygen singly bonded to an oxygen, and that oxygen is again attached to an hydrocarbon, and these two hydrocarbon may be same or may be different. So this group, we know this functional group is called carboxylic acid functional group. Therefore ester belong to derivative of carboxylic acid. So the functional group for ester is carboxylic acid derivatives. Now for acyl chloride, here what happens? An hydrocarbon is attached to carbon which is doubly bonded to an oxygen, and this carbon is singly bonded to an oxygen, and then it is bonded to chlorine. Then here again in this case we can see a carboxylic acid functional group. So therefore acyl chloride is also carboxylic acid derivative, or we can say derivative of carboxylic acid. So the functional group for acyl chloride is carboxylic acid derivative. Now for aldehydes, in case of aldehydes what happens is that हाइड्रोकार्बन जो है वो बॉन्डेड होती है एक कार्बन से जो कि डबली बॉन्डेड होती है एक ऑक्सीजन से, फिर ये कार्बन एक हाइड्रोजन से अटैच होती है. नाउ दिस ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड कार्बोनिल functional group. Therefore we can say that aldehyde is belong to carbonyl functional group. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया हो. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.